But you know I'm not going to leave it there, right? We're going to keep ramping this up until we get the result we want. I mean, we've still got a microwave. Still looks like a microwave. I'm not satisfied until we destroy it. In this test, we will not be powering on the microwave and will instead use this 50 metre length of quick match to ignite the firecrackers. I'm now igniting that quick match from a safe distance. Well, I don't know about you, but I reckon there's still too much of a microwave left. So, let's see what we can do. Shot this thing about 100,000 times and there's still that much left. That is ridiculous. We've got to take this shit to the next level. Oh yeah! Well, there ain't no microwave left.
And we're back. So, what did we learn from this experiment? Well, I guess one of the things that we did learn was you've got to be an absolute idiot to make something like this. We learned that microwaves are very hard to destroy, they're virtually indestructible. I guess we learned that if you put explosives in a microwave, they can go off, especially as we had it. However, constructed as they were, they're unlikely to cause any serious injury, although an injury is certainly possible. I'm sure there'll be other idiots out there that will likely try something similar to this, and when they do, we'll be here to test it, see if it works. Until then, catch you next time.